Go.
Hey, how are you doing? My name's Matt. I'm a project manager with Sunny Day Roofing. I'm here at 250 Sweetwater Station Drive and Bob Hellinger's house. I'm here to repair a shingle. So as you see right here, got a wind crease shingle. It's got that dark crease right there at the top. We're going to be repairing this one. So in order to repair this shingle, I've got to lift 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles right here to expose the nails underneath. We're gonna see how this goes. Mr. Blake!
What's up?
How we doing, brother?
Good, how about y'all?
Good, man, good. How's your Thanksgiving?
Busy, that's about it. How about y'all?
You and me both, brother.
Yep.
Hey, I was wondering if you'd heard back from your insurance company yet.
I've been playing phone tag with him. He called me like 6 o'clock the day before Thanksgiving. I had a bunch of family over.
Okay.
And I'll try him again here. I've got a voicemail from him again from yesterday. So.
Did you have anything in your email?
No, nothing in the email.
All right, no worries. Just let me know.
Yeah, I'll give him a call now and let him know.
Is there? It's another homeowner we're working with, also through Allstate. So we'll be in touch. So anyway, we got to replace this shingle right here. In order to do that, 1, 2, 3, 4 have to be lifted so I can get the nails out underneath. We're gonna see how this goes. Cool. Got this lifted. Now I just got to get the nails up underneath. I'll use my tool here, just like this, so I can see where the nails are at without. So as you can tell from the shingle, as you can see here, especially on this one, the shingles are so brittle that the nails just kind of tear right through them, and it made it harder to